We out here, car show. Good way to end it. Great turnout, y'all. What is up, YouTube? Norman here once again, coming at y'all with another video. How y'all doing? I hope y'all having a fantastic day. Hope y'all smiling, and I hope you guys are dabbing on them haters. Dab, 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 dab. So, a little quick update on y'all, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got that nice fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? So, he looking good out here in this motherfucker. So, you know, I ain't rocking it all bushy like I was on a couple videos ago. So now, your boy's back to his normal status. But now today is a very special, eventful day because it is the car show in Chinle. Be there, be square. You guys just gonna sit back, kick back, relax, enjoy the video because, you know what I'm saying, I'm getting Thunder ready for the car show. I got this 3-piece set over here that I got at O'Reilly's. You got your cleaner, your wax, and your glass. And it really does make a difference on your ride. So if you guys have a chance to go to O'Reilly's, pick some up and then try it for yourself. So we'll see you guys in the next 2-3 hours or so for the car meet. And you guys stay tuned because you guys are in store for a very good episode today on your boy Norm's Vlogs. And you guys are gonna love it. And if you guys are new here, I'm Norman. This is Thunder. This is Armor All Kit. Please subscribe to the channel. Become part of the family. And if you ever would do so, drop a like and a comment on your favorite part of this video. And let's get it and roll them cool transition scenes.
Tomorrow is the parade going on and these guys are reserving their spots.
They're taking this shit like it's Wonder Rock Fair. Look at that, bro. They're reserving fucking spots. That's really Navajo right there, if you ask me, reserving a spot for the fair.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
See that? It's crazy.
It's real out here in Chinle, y'all. They doing it big out here. We're here for the car show.
Car show, y'all.
Not about the parade, but the car show.
If you missed it, you can watch it on here.
You can watch it on the YouTube.
And wish that you were there.
See, we out here, we're doing it big. Got the squad, we out here in Chinle, AC. So what's up, Tristan? Pre-game, the best way to do it is if you're doing a car meet, make sure you guys are all consistent. Don't drag too much attention to yourself. Stay at a steady speed and you get here. No cops, no trouble, nothing like that. Babe, say hi, babe.
Hi.
You liking the car show?
What car show?
The first meet, the first car meet.
Yeah,
We all
station.
here at the gas station. Car meet Chinle AZ with yours truly, the babe.
Me.
Johnny, take the vlog, man. Take the vlog. Hold on to it.
I don't know.
Just hold on to it. Squad! Squad! Oh shit. Oh shit. Top is coming down. Now when the top is down, it makes it 100% more better. Say what's up, Johnny.
What's up? Pull my pants.
Pull your pants. Bad day, huh?
Yeah.
Pull your pants. Almost lose a headlight. Oh no, that was the other guy.
Yeah,
The other guy. Yeah.
Probably can get pulled over, still get repoed,
Yeah.
and the wheels are about to fall off.
And didn't your dad say so too?
Yeah, my dad says.
But we took the risk and we came out here. Straight savages, man. We savages out here. Well, I shouldn't have touched it. It might have been hot. It's pretty nice, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
You should paint the insides on this one too, right here.
So I want to, man.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what color to make it. Take the whole thing out and just do the bay.
Yeah.
And wire tuck it a little bit. Yeah.
Just paint it black, man. Anything matches black.
True, huh?
Yeah. All right, cool. Thanks, dude.
That's all good.
There you go. Say what's up to the vlog,
What
man.
up, what up, man? Screwdriver, what up?
Shout out, man. Your name, your car, what's up?
My
The
name
world's
is
gonna see
Stanley
this.
This is my 1991 Honda CRX with a B20 B16 swap. There you go.
There you go. All right, cool. Thanks, man. The last video I made, you guys, this guy has the same stickers as Tristan's Coyote over there, right here. See that right there? It's the same thing right there. I think we need one. Do we need one?
Do you think we need one?
Comment down below if we need one of those stickers, y'all. Maybe. We'll see. The only sticker that we rocking on this one is the American Muscle badge. Now we're heading out to the car show, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this. Get us
Headed to the car show.
What up, y'all? Car show time, and this is the best part of our lives.
Yep, and you'll see other cars there, and we're gonna be vlogging there. And behind us is Tristan and what's the other guy's name? Jay. And Johnny's there.
So I hope all of you enjoy these transition scenes, because it's gonna be really cool when we get there. That's the benefits of having a convertible, kids. She was standing on her knees on that last transition shot, and she got the whole thing back there. Now that's something to learn, kids. Take notes on it. Not bad. This pretty turnout for a car show. Yeah, that one came with it, yeah. This is the only thing that we did too. The K&N air intake, yeah. That was about it.
7 years?
That's what I was looking at last night. Yeah, shit's fucking expensive though. Hey,
What?
is this your car?
Yeah, I'm standing next to it.
Now just remember, it's not how you stand by your car, it's how you race your car. You better learn that.
Trying to say I can't race my car out?
Trying to pull some Fast and Furious references right there.
Smile. Wait,
Album cover.
I'm trying to get a good shot. Oh.
Just to cover it.
Where's ours?
I like this. I really like this.
Whose car is this?
Dang, I don't know. This car, cool car.
Boss 30 R3
302. Yeah.
Is that really a 3.7?
Yeah.
That's big for a 3.7, man.
Big for a 3.7?
Yeah, bro.
Really? You think so?
I got like a 4.7, 4.6, and it ain't that big.
Yeah, man, it's a 3.7. Everything came stock except with this air intake right here. That's all I did. This one came with the car too. But yeah, man, I get that a lot.
Yeah, bro, it is.
Yeah.
You said it's stripped out.
Yeah, it's convertible too, so
Nice, bro.
I feel like Dr. Dre in it.
That's stripped out, though.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Yeah, man.
Whose car?
It's a Cobalt, isn't it? Yeah, it's a Cobalt.
Somebody should pop it.
I like this one. It reminds me of Fast and Furious. Remember when they robbed the bank?
Yeah.
Remember when they were hauling out the safe?
Oh, the cars.
Oh, damn, it's a Hemi too.
Is this fast?
Yes.
This one? I like the color.
I like the color, yeah. It's got that nice glitter sparkle and the blue.
See? Sparkly.
And this blue cap too.
And the blue cap. This is the Mustang.
It's the bullet edition.
The bullhead?
Bullet
Bullet?
edition.
Oh, it says bullet on top.
Yeah.
I always said respect your elders. Because we have a Mustang too. Yeah. Oops. Ours is a 3.7. The convertible one over there.
Oh yeah.
Dang, whose car?
Sure.
Not really.
Oh, this one's into the main frame. See that?
That?
Yeah, it's into
Is
the main
that the
frame.
exhaust?
No, that's the intake. It's into the main frame.
Oh, so it's
My
like.
the coworker that works at Conoco,
Uh-huh.
Derek, remember the security?
Yeah.
His car has that exact same hookup.
Really?
Yeah.
All that.
I thought it was supposed to be all huge or something.
I like how much space is here.
I know.
It's nice. Grandpa would love this.
And who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
I'm Norman. Nice to meet you. Ah.
It's a great day to be in the sun. Alfred.
Sure is. A little too.
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep.
We out here, car show. Good way to end it. Great turnout, y'all. Stang, all the way around, baby. What's up, y'all? Good turnout. Hope we do this next week or next year. Some, whatever, y'all. This is a pretty damn good turnout. Look at it.
My cipher complete. Nikes.